guys, welcome back to another science adventure of Science with Cindy. So glad you're here today. We're going to do another one of these experiments from the Ultimate Girl Science Kit. We're going to do experiment number 3, water fireworks. It just takes some super simple items, some water, some oil, and some of the food coloring straight out of the kit. Now, the first thing it says is go ahead and fill this flask 3/4 of the way full with water. So let's just add a little bit of water, creeping up to halfway, getting there, 3/4 of the way with water. Perfect. Then it says add oil halfway up this cylinder. So we're going to take this little measuring cylinder, add oil halfway up, and then it said take 2 drops each of 2 different food colorings. You might get a little oily doing this, but 2 drops each of 2 different food colorings. Here we go. Let's choose red. Since it said fireworks, I'm thinking 4th of July. 2 drops of red. Now, food coloring is water-based. Water and oil don't mix. Water is heavier, it's more dense. Water is more dense than oil. 2 drops of blue. And since water is more dense than oil, the food coloring wants to go straight to the bottom of the oil. But watch what happens when we stir it around in here. We can break up the food coloring, but it still doesn't mix in. Look at that, we can break it up, but it still doesn't mix in. Isn't that fun? When we drop the oil with the food coloring into the water, since the water's more dense, it's going to drop to the bottom of the oil and sink right on down into the water. You might want to get a close-up as we do this really neat part.
Okie dokie.
Go. Okay, food coloring fireworks. Let's see if the food coloring starts sinking down through the oil and into the water. Oh, come on, food coloring, where are you? The food coloring is suspended in there. I wonder if the food coloring is so
You keep
small.
getting in my way, so it keeps blurring.
Oh, sorry. You know, I might have stirred it up too much. As the food coloring comes together and it gets heavier, it starts to sink. On my side, there's already some sinking happening.
You might want to stir it again.
Oh, if I stir it again, it will break it up. But look, do you see at the bottom of the oil where it's starting to fall down through there?
Yes.
Some slow fireworks action. Oh, it looks so neat. I like how each fall has a heavy little drop of food coloring leading the food coloring tail all the way down into there. Okay, and that is how you make fireworks with oil, food coloring, and water. Hope you have a super awesome day. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and the bell for notifications. See you next time.
Didn't even have to send the ending. Perfect.